Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna build something that not Gundam. It's an anime that I haven't watched yet, and it is Evangelion Neon Genesis. Neon Genesis Evangelion actually.
Yeah, it was more for me. I think my problem with rhythm games is that I have a hard time looking at it as anything but a party game, right? Because like I understand people getting into rhythm games, but I cannot play a rhythm game for more than like a few songs before I'm just like, okay,
I can play for a while.
I can play for a while.
I really like. I think one thing that rhythm games I quite like, even though I don't like instruments or care about music much, is that I really like the you can always like feel like you're improving when you play a song or like when you're going through. You always feel like you're improving.
I'll tell you what like rhythm games are. It's feeling like you're playing an instrument without going through the boring parts.
Yeah.
Like my god, like imagine if you could just learn how to play guitar without having to do scales.
Yeah.
Like, so wait, there's only 5 buttons.
Yeah, I know. That's so easy.
You mean I don't know?
2 hours later.
As long as you're happy and not hurting anyone, you should do whatever you want. Clearly you can take care of yourself. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. When I do these things, I stay far away from others. And I also appreciate when people do the same. What if Gura actually did marry you? I can't get married. I can't. I'm the Grim Reaper. You ever had chocolate Baileys? That sounds dope. I want to. Don't you want to settle down a little? Nah, I'm the Grim Reaper. I got work to do. This is how it's been for all of eternity. It has to continue that way. Love your music. Thank you very much. How are you even keeping up with chat? Not really. I'm just watching it go by and picking out as many messages as I can to read. Cigars, no. But Cali brand wine would be nice. I'd love to make that happen someday. When it happens, I hope that you will check it out. Favorite whiskey? Napoleon Castle. It's an Irish whiskey. I like the green and the blue. But I think we can at least have fun doing karaoke together. Staying in a neat hotel and having a pill. Usually we connect in some place or another. And then we can enjoy that thing together. All of you needs to visit. I'm waiting for you. So I hope so. bonding has been really weird, I guess, meeting. Ah! Heck yeah, Tentacle! That's a great question. You can bribe the Reaper.